Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Infinity Learn Mathematics in a Simple Way. So today we are going to solve the what problems on continuity. So this type of problem will be asked in the part E, question number 60 for 4 marks. These are very important problems. Out of these 10 to 8 problems are there. Out of these problems only you will get the what one problem in the examination. So let us solve the problem. Find the k or find the value of k if f of x is equal to kx plus 1 3x minus 5 if x is less than kx plus 1 if x is less than or equal to 5 3x minus 5 if x is greater than 5 is continuous at x is equal to 5. This question has been asked in the year March 2015 and March 2019. So first of all, see here the function is what continuous at the point of what x is equal to 5. The point of continuity is what here 5. The given function is what continuous at x is equal to what 5. Write the first solution of the first step as it is. F of x is equal to, write the function as it is, kx plus 1 3x minus 5 if x is less than or equal to 5, if x is greater than 5. Then write the given function is continuous at x is equal to 5. The given function is continuous at x is equal to 5. Then at x is equal to 5, then LHL equal to RHL, that is left hand limit is equal to what? Right hand limit. So how to write this one? The given function is continuous at x is equal to 5. See here, less than or greater than is given. At that time we are using the what? LHL and RHL. If it is given the condition less than or greater than or less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, at that time we are using what? LHL and RHL. Yes. Therefore, limit of f of x as x tends to 5 minus means what? This is LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 5 plus. 5 plus means what? Greater than 5. Yes, this is LHL and this is what? RHL. See here, limit of x tends to 5 minus. 5 minus means what? Less than 5. Less than 5. Less than or equal to 5 means what? Kx plus 1. The function value is what? We are taking kx plus 1. Yes, that is equal to 5 plus limit of x tends to 5 plus 5 plus. See here, 5 plus means greater than 5. Greater than 5 means what? 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. Yes. See here, after equating LHL and RHL, put the value of the x, limit will be removed. Yes, put the value of x5, put the value of x5, the limit will be removed. I am writing the next step here. Therefore, k into 5 plus 1 is equal to 3 into 5 minus 5. 5 into k, 5k plus 1. 3 5s are 15 minus 5. 5k is equal to 10. 15 minus 5 is what? 10. Minus 1 plus 1 goes to this side, it will become what? Minus 1. Then 5k is equal to what? 9. K is equal to what? 9 by 5. In this way you have to solve the problem so that you will get the what? 4 out of 4 marks. Yes. So here find k if f of x is equal to kx square, if x is less than or equal to 2, f of x is equal to 3 if x is greater than 2, is continuous at x is equal to 2. This question has been asked in the year July 2016 and July 2018. Yes. Yes. Write the solution first step as it is. Given function f of x is equal to kx square 3 if x is less than or equal to 2, if x is greater than 2. Yes, given function, right? Given function is continuous. Given function is continuous at x is equal to 2, then LHL equal to RHL. Then LHL equal to RHL. Then LHL equal to what? RHL. LHL means what? Limit of f of x as x tends to 2 minus limit of f of x as x tends to 2 plus. Yes, then limit of x tends to 2 minus means less than 2. 2 minus means what? Less than 2 means what? The function is what? Kx square. Take kx square for less than 2. Then limit of x tends to 2 plus greater than 2 means what? 3. Yes. Now this one is k into 2 square is equal to 3. Yes. 2 square means what? 4k is equal to 3. K is equal to what? 3 by 4. So this is the value of k. Next problem. Find k if f of x is equal to what? Kx plus 1 if x is less than or equal to pi. If f of x is equal to cos x, if x is greater than pi, is continuous at x is equal to 5. This question has been asked in the year March 2020 and 2022 for 4 marks. See here, write the given function, that is kx plus 1 and cos x if x is less than or equal to pi, if x is greater than pi. Given function is continuous at x is equal to pi. Then LHL equal to what? RHL. Then LHL equal to what? RHL. Therefore, limit of f of x as x tends to pi minus is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to what? Pi plus. Pi minus means what? Less than 5. Less than 5 means what? Kx plus 1. Pi minus means what? Less than 5. Less than 5 means what? Kx plus 1. X tends to what? Less than 5 minus. Then limit of x tends to 5 plus. 5 plus means what? Greater than 5. That is what? Cos x. This one is substitute the value of x as pi. K into 5 plus 1 is equal to cos pi. Cos phi. I am writing the next steps here. Yes. K phi is equal to k phi plus 1 is equal to cos 180 means what? Minus 1. Cos 180 degrees what? Minus 1. Then k phi is equal to minus 1. This plus 1 goes this side, it will become what? Minus 1. Then k is equal to what? Minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. The value of k is what? Minus 2 by 5. Because cos phi is what? Minus 1. Right here, cos pi is what? Minus 1. The value of cos pi is what? Minus 1. Yes. See here, find the values of k if f of x is equal to k cos x divided by pi minus 2x if x is not equal to 5 by 2. F of x is equal to 3 if x is equal to 5 by 2 is continuous at x is equal to 5. This question has been asked in the year March 2014, June 2014, March 2017 and September 2020. Very important problem. Yes. So here see the condition here. So still now we did the what previous problems less than or greater than, that is LHL and RHL concept. It is what equal to and not equal to is the conditions here. And it is what continuous at x is equal to what 5 by 2. Yes, write the first step solution. Write the first step of the solution. First write this one solution. Write this function. Solution of the problem first. Write the function. Yes, and write the given function is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. At x is equal to what? Pi by 2. The given function is continuous at x is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore limit of f of x as x tends to pi by 2 is equal to f of 5 by 2. The value of the function at the point x 5 by 2 and the limiting value of the function is what? Equal. In this case, because here it is given equal to and not equal to. If it is given less than and greater than, at that time we are using the what? LHL and RHL. Here it is given equal to and not equal to. At that time we are taking the what? Limiting value of the function and the value of the function at the what? 5 by 2. At the point of continuous is what? 5 by 2. We are equating this one so that we will get the value of what? K. Yes. So here limit of, in the place of f of x, I am writing what? K cos x divided by 5 minus 2x as x tends to what? 5 by 2. Yes. F of 5 by 2. If x is equal to 5 by 2, then the value of the function is what? 3. That is equal to what? 3. That is equal to what? 3. Now what I am doing, I am writing cos x in terms of the sign, that is here limit of x tends to 5 by 2, k as it is. Cos x can be written sin 90 minus x. Sin 90 minus x is nothing but cos x. Is it right? Sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x. And in the denominator I am taking 2 common here. I am taking 2 common. After taking 2 common, 5 by 2 minus x. 5 by 2 minus x is equal to what? 3. Is equal to what? 3. See here once again I am writing cos x in terms of the what? Sin. Sin 90 minus x is nothing but cos x, and in the denominator I am taking 2 common. After taking 2 common, 5 will become what? 5 by 2. If I taken the 2 common means what? What is remaining here? X is remaining. That 3 as it is. Yes. I am writing the next steps here. Yes. Any doubt up to here? Put 5 by 2 minus x is equal to theta. Here put 5 by 2 minus x is equal to theta. Put 5 by 2 minus x is equal to theta as x tends to pi by 2. As x tends to what? 5 by 2. As x tends to 5 by 2, then theta tends to what? 0. Theta tends to what? 0. Yes. Therefore, see here, put 5, wherever 5 by 2 is there, I am writing 5 by 2 minus x is there, I am writing what? Theta. As x tends to 5 by 2, then it implies what? Theta tends to what? 0. Therefore, limit of theta tends to 0. Theta tends to 0. This pi by 2 will be goes out. What comes here? As x tends to 5 by 2, then theta tends to what? 0. This I am writing here now. Then k as it is, sine, instead of 5 by 2 minus x is what? Theta divided by 2 theta is equal to 3. So see here, limit of sine theta divided by theta as theta tends to 0 is what? 1. Yes. K divided by 2 into 1 is equal to what? 3. Yes. K divided by 2 into 1 is equal to what? 3. Because I am writing here, because limit of sine theta divided by theta as theta tends to 0 is what? 1. As theta tends to 0 is what? 1. K is equal to 2 3s are 6. Therefore, the value of K is what? 6. Next problem. For what value of lambda the function f of x is equal to lambda into, sorry, make it lambda this one, lambda into x square minus 2x if x is less than or equal to 0, f of x is equal to 4x plus 1 if x greater than 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0. Write the first solution, first function as it is. F of x is equal to lambda into x square minus 2x 4x plus 1 if x is less than or equal to 0, if x is greater than 0. Yes, given function is continuous at x is equal to what? 0. Given function is continuous at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0, then LHL equal to what? RHL. And LHL equal to what? RHL. Therefore, limit of f of x as x tends to 0 minus limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus. 0 minus means what? Lambda into x square minus 2x, that is limit of x tends to 0 minus limit of f of x is what? 4x plus 1 as x tends to 0 plus 0 plus. See here, put the value of 0 here, lambda into 0 square minus 2 into 0, that is equal to limit of 4 into 0 plus 1. Yes, then lambda into 0 is equal to what? Plus 1. So lambda into 0 is what? 0. So lambda cannot be determined here. Lambda cannot be determined. Lambda is equal to what? 1 by 0, not defined. That is lambda is equal to what? Not defined, or we can say lambda cannot be determined. Lambda cannot be determined. Lambda cannot be determined. Next problem, find the values of a and b such that the function f of x is equal to 5 if x is greater than or equal to 2, f of x is equal to ax plus b if 2 is less than x, x is less than 10, f of x is equal to 21 if x is greater than or equal to what? 10, is a continuous. It is what? Sorry, continuous is not given. We have to find the value of a and b because here three conditions are there. कितने conditions इसमें? Three conditions. So we have to write the solution first step as it is. Write solution first step as it is. Here given function is continuous. Since the given function is continuous at x is equal to 2, then since given function is continuous at x is equal to 2, then LHL equal to RHL. Then LHL equal to what? RHL. LHL means what? Limit of f of x as x tends to what? 2 minus limit of f of x as x tends to what? 2 plus. Here continuous at x is equal to 2 means we have to take 2 minus and 2 plus. Then limit of x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means what? Less than 2. Which condition is, which function we have to take here? Less than 2 means what? Ax plus b. Limit of x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means what? Greater than 2. Greater than or equal to 2 means what? 5. Yes, this is what? See here, put the value of x. Limit will be removed. 2a plus b. See here, x is what? 2. 2 into a, 2a. 2a plus b is equal to what? 5. Call this as equation 1. It is a linear equation in two variable, that is a and b. Linear equation in two variable a and b. Now same, I am writing the next part of the solution here. Given function is continuous at x is equal to 10. Given function is continuous. Given function is continuous at x is equal to what? 10. Then LHL equal to what? RHL. Therefore limit of f of x as x tends to what? 10 minus limit of f of x as x tends to what? 10 plus. 10 minus 10 plus. Now see here, 10 minus means less than 10 means again we have to take ax plus b. Then limit of ax plus b as x tends to 10 minus is equal to limit of f of x tends to 10 means what? Greater than 10 means what? 21. Limit of x tends to 10 plus, it is what? 21. This one is what? 10 into a, 10a plus b is equal to what? 21. This is equation 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2 we get. Solving 1 and 2 we get. So here what is 1 here? 2a plus b is equal to 5. 10a plus b is equal to what? 21 minus minus minus. So plus b minus b cancel. 2 minus 10 is what? Minus 8a. 5 minus 21. 5 minus 21 is how much? 16. Yes. Minus 16. 8 ones are 8 twos are. Then A is equal to what? 2. Then A is equal to what? 2. Put A is equal to 2 in equation 1. In equation 1. Put A is equal to 2 in equation 1 from 1. From 1. What is 1? 2A plus B is equal to 5. 2 into 2 plus B is equal to 5. Then B is equal to 5. 2 2s are 4. That is minus 4. Then B is equal to what? 1. Therefore, A is equal to 2. B is equal to 1. So, this is the what final answer. Yes. So, next question, find the relationship between A and B so that the function f defined by f of x is equal to ax plus 1 if x is less than or equal to 3, f of x is equal to bx plus 3 if x is greater than 3 is continuous at x is equal to what? 3. Yes. Write the solution. First step as it is. F of x is equal to ax plus 1 bx plus 3 if x is less than or equal to 3 if x is greater than 3 is continuous at x is equal to what? 3. So, given function is continuous. Given function is continuous at x is equal to 3, at x is equal to 3, then LHL equal to what? RHL. Therefore, limit of f of x as x tends to what? 3 minus limit of f of x as x tends to what? 3 plus 3 minus means what? Ax plus 1. Limit of ax plus 1 as x tends to what? 3 minus limit of x tends to what? 3 plus means what? Bx plus 3. So here, put the value of x, limit will be removed. 3a plus 1 is equal to 3b plus 3. Then 3a minus 3b. Bring 3b this side. Plus 1 goes here, minus 1. Then 3 is common here. A minus b is equal to what? 2. I am writing next step here. Or I will write here 3 common here. A minus b is equal to what? 2. Then a minus b is equal to what? 2 by 3. So this is the relation between a and b. This is the relation between a and b. Find the value of k if f of x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos x. X is not equal to 0. F of x is equal to k and x is equal to what here? 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0. Right. This question has been asked in the year March 2016 for 4 marks. Solution, write the function as it is. Given function is continuous. Given function is continuous at x is equal to 0, then limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0, the value of the function. Yes. Therefore, limit of x tends to 0, value of the function is what here? 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos x. Then f of 0 means what here? K. This value. Yes. Then limit of x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x nothing but 2 sin square x divided by 2 sin square x by 2 is equal to k. This 2 get cancelled. This 2 get cancelled. Then now what I am doing here, I am making some arrangement. See here, limit of x tends to 0, sin square x. I am writing sin x divided by x into x, and I am writing square common here. What I did here, sin square, I am writing in the bracket sin square. Sin x. I am dividing and multiplying what? X. If you cancel this x and this x, again you will get the what? Sin square x. So this is arrangement. This arrangement I have done here. Sin square x can be written sin x bracket square. Yes. What I did the arrangement here? Divide and multiply by what here? X. Divide and multiply by what here? X whole divided by, write it, that is equal to, sin square x by 2 is nothing but sin x by 2 divided by x by 2 into x by 2 bracket square. See here, x by 2 get cancelled, again you will get the what? Sin square x by 2. Yes, is equal to what? K. Is equal to what? K. Yes. Therefore put the value limit of sin theta by theta as theta tends to 0, x tends to 0 is what? 1. This is also what? 1. 1 into x square divided by 1 into what? X by 2, x square by 4. X square by 4, because we are doing the what? Square at the same time. Yes. That is equal to what? K. Yes. 1 into x square, 1 into x square. X square divided by x square divided by x square divided by 4 is equal to k. X square cancel, then k is equal to what? 4. Then k is equal to what? 4. So this is the value of k. Then k is equal to what? 4. So this is all about the what? Problems of continuity. Out of these problems only you will get the what? One problem in part A. So thank you so much watching my channel. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.